Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. In previous videos we've looked at how to create and manually process a single sales order in MYOB Advanced, but there are also functions that let you speed up this process and automate parts of it to process batches of orders in bulk. The quick processing feature that was introduced in MYOB Advanced 2018.1 lets you process a sales order through to an invoice in one operation. You can activate quick processing for each order type on the Order Type screen. A system administrator may need to do this. Once quick processing has been enabled, a quick process button is available on the sales order screen. Once you've created and saved a sales order, you can click this button to create a shipment, a pick list and an invoice in one operation, printing or sending documents as required. Just set the shipment date, tick the boxes for all of the actions you want to perform, and then click OK to begin processing the order. Each step of the process is ticked off one by one as it happens. So far we've looked at processing a single order, but most of the steps in the sales process can be performed in bulk using one of the process screens. When you open a process screen, all of the relevant records are displayed. For example, if I go to the process orders screen and choose the Create Shipment action, all sales orders awaiting shipment are displayed. If I go to the Process Shipment screen and choose the Prepare Invoice action, then all shipments that have not yet been invoiced are displayed, and so on. In all cases, you can process all of the listed records in one operation, or select a subset of records and process only those. You can also create schedules for each process so that they can be performed automatically, say preparing all invoices at the end of every day, or printing pick lists for all new orders every hour. And that's the end of our look at streamlining the sales process with quick processing and bulk operations. If you want to learn more, visit the MYOB Advanced Education Centre or see the other videos in our Advanced Academy series. Thanks for watching.